In this video, we're going to go over how to delete a checklist or how to delete a submission to a checklist. Now, before we move on, it's really important to understand the difference between a checklist and a submission. Now, a checklist is the original template. It's the master version that shows how a task should be done. You can create it once and then that checklist can be used over and over again by different people. And how they'll do that is by creating a submission or a copy of that checklist. So your submission is what you use when you actually run the process and tick off each of the steps. So each submission represents one run through of your checklist. Deleting checklists or submissions can become especially useful if checklists become redundant, or if you have multiple versions of a particular checklist and you want to delete older versions. Or when it comes to submissions, it could be that you started a checklist by mistake, or you just want to delete submissions because it's something you need to do. Let's try one in our finance folder. So I'll select finance, I'll select banking, and let's pick the first one, transfer provisions into tax accounts. The caveat I would like to share is the types of things that you can delete and what we can help you recover in AirManual. So the first thing is, if you delete a checklist like this one, for example, and how you do that is select the three dots and then select delete, right? It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete this page. If you select delete, then the page or the process will be deleted, okay? We can recover, the caveat is we can recover deleted checklists, but we cannot recover deleted submissions to a checklist. Now, what does that mean? So if you look at the submissions, so let's say a number of people have used this checklist, and how to check for those submissions is select the three dots and then select view submissions. You'll see that the process has been completed a number of times by myself and by Alexis, my colleague. So if you want to delete specific submissions, so for example, I started this one by mistake, I would select it and then select the three dots at the top right and select delete submission. If I select delete, then this will not be recoverable by AirManual. We can only recover deleted pages or deleted folders or deleted checklists, but deleted submissions to a checklist, if I select delete, then that has disappeared into the ether and can never be recovered. Okay, so that is how you can delete pages or checklists in your workspace, as well as how to delete submissions. If you need help or support, you can always reach out to us by email using support@airmanual.co, or you can click on the in-app messenger at the bottom right, a little chat icon, and chat with a member of the team, and we'll be more than happy to help. Okay, have a great rest of your day.